would go to America
Why would you go to America?
because it's a sweet land.
It's a sweet land? What's so sweet about it?
Because it has chocolate in.
Oh. What else is in America?
Goodies.
Are there some people, maybe?
People.
Which people?
Beds.
There are beds in America?
Grandma and Grandpa.
Uh-huh. Who else is in America?
Your aunt's house.
Yeah. Do you remember great-grandma and great-grandpa? They're there.
Yeah. Good chocolate than you have.